Welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photo Quick Tip. Today I've got an unusual one, but one that has stumbled across my desk, and I've been testing it out now with numerous photos, hundreds of photos, in fact. And I have to say that I am completely impressed with the product, and so much so that I thought it would be a good idea to make a video here on it, because I think it deserves some recognition. Now, first off, I'm not being sponsored. I don't know this company. I have nothing to do with them. Not affiliated in any way. I purchased the product with my own money, so it's totally an impartial review. But basically, what it is it makes the claim that we can compress your JPEGs smaller than your programs and give you better quality with no loss. And that's quite a claim, and I always that's promising the stars and the moons, but the product seems to deliver on its promises. And so the website, of course, is JPEGmini.com, and you can go in there and you get a free trial, and you can download it and test it out yourself. But I just wanted to basically tell you my experience with it, and to show you a little bit what I can here and my experiences with it, because I'm quite impressed with it. All right, so I'm just going to click over into Photoshop here, and here I have the original image, which is a raw DNG file. Okay, and my workflow, of course, with photos and that, it always winds up going into Photoshop, and then I personally like to save my photos in PSD, right? And then I like to, then when I'm done with them, I can export them out as a JPEG for whatever purpose they are, right? And with dealing with online, social medias, or printing houses and so forth, size becomes a factor. Hard drive size, storage of all the images, as well as transmission, whether you want to send a file, via, Dropbox or whatever you use. So size does matter, okay, in this case. And I'm always looking for things to improve my workflow, improve my processes, and work better for me. And I've got to say that this JPEGmini has really impressed me. It offers plugins for Lightroom, Capture One, Photoshop, as well as a standalone application that you can use by itself. And you'll see right here in my activity bar here on the JM, that's JPEGmini. That's the program plugin right there. And so if I want to take this image, I'll go on the original DNG, and I say I want to take this image and move it out to a JPEG. JPEGmini says, let me analyze it, and it analyzes the photo and says, we can reduce it by 45.6%. Now that's pretty amazing, right, in itself. Okay, and then I just simply hit export, and I'm done. It does it automatically. I don't know, it's voodoo magic or mathematics that they use, but I am really impressed with the product. So I made a little mock-up here, comparison to show you here. Okay, we started out with a DNG, which of course is a small compression of a RAW. And then when you use your workflow, you go into a PSD. It winds up being 126 megabytes. And then you export it out of Photoshop, and it becomes a 12 megabyte JPEG. Then I used the same exact RAW file, except I used JPEGmini, and it's now a 3.8 megabyte JPEG, which is, as you can see, quite a savings. Now, here's the kicker. Each one of these images that you're looking at are exactly the image that they were taken from. So if we zoom in here, okay, I'm going to go in on the eyes, and we're at I want to get right in on the eyes, because that's the clarity part here. Now we'll start over at the beginning here. Now just try to focus on whatever you consider for clarity, artifacts, detail. Starting all the way at the left and then sliding over. Okay. And finally with the JPEGmini, I can virtually hardly tell any difference in loss and quality whatsoever. Again, here is the JPEG at 4 times the size. And look at the detail. And this is 1/4 of the size of the file. It's just amazing. And again, like I said, this is just because I'm impressed with the product. I'm seriously impressed. So I really do recommend you go to the website, go download the trial, okay, and try it out yourself. This is an invaluable tool to turn around and save you space for transmitting of files, even on saving images on your hard drive. Let's face it, 3.8 megabytes, and the best that Photoshop can do is 12 for a JPEG. Quite a savings. So again, I just wanted to put that out there because I thought maybe other people will find this useful, maybe not, but I just wanted to put it out there, put it on people's radar, because so far, like I said, I am seriously impressed with the product. All right, till next week, you guys take care.